Speech recognition and AI chatbots. In today's digital era, speech recognition and AI chatbots are redefining how humans interact with machines. From simple voice commands to complex conversational AI, these technologies have evolved rapidly, moving from research labs into everyday life. They now influence customer service, healthcare, education, personal productivity, and even entertainment. Speech recognition, also known as automatic speech recognition or ASR, enables computers to understand and process human speech. Unlike typing or clicking, it allows people to communicate naturally using their voice. Modern systems rely on artificial intelligence, particularly machine learning and deep learning algorithms, to analyze sound waves, detect speech patterns, and convert spoken words into digital text. The backbone of speech recognition consists of three key components: acoustic modeling, language modeling, and natural language processing, NLP. Acoustic modeling translates audio signals into a format that a computer can analyze, learning the relationship between sounds and phonetic units. Language modeling predicts the likelihood of certain word sequences, helping distinguish between phrases like ice cream and ice cream. NLP interprets the converted text to understand intent, context, and meaning. Today, speech recognition powers virtual assistants such as Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. These assistants can respond to questions, perform tasks, and control devices. Beyond personal assistants, ASR is used in automated transcription services, voice-controlled smart devices, and accessibility tools, enabling people with disabilities to engage more fully with technology. AI chatbots are software programs designed to simulate human conversation through text or voice. Unlike early rule-based systems, modern AI chatbots leverage NLP and machine learning to understand user intent, generate context-aware responses, and continuously improve through interaction. They no longer feel robotic, they can engage users in meaningful, dynamic conversation. The impact of AI chatbots spans multiple industries. In customer support, chatbots answer routine queries, provide product information, and troubleshoot problems. In healthcare, they help patients schedule appointments, remind them to take medications, and provide mental health support. In e-commerce, chatbots guide users in finding products, comparing prices, and completing purchases. In education, AI tutors provide personalized assistance, answer questions, and track learning progress. When speech recognition is integrated with AI chatbots, interactions become even more natural. Users can speak to a virtual assistant, explain a problem, and receive an intelligent response in real time. This combination creates human-like experiences that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Voice-driven chatbots have become a reality in both professional and personal contexts. The synergy between speech recognition and AI chatbots has unlocked several benefits. Hands-free interaction allows users to operate devices while cooking, driving, or exercising. Multilingual support enables global communication across different languages and dialects. Personalization improves as chatbots analyze tone, pace, and context to offer empathetic responses. Additionally, faster service delivery makes customer support and information retrieval more efficient than typing. Despite their advantages, challenges remain. Accuracy can be affected by accents, background noise, or speech impairments. Privacy concerns arise because voice data is sensitive. Bias in AI systems may lead to inconsistent performance across different groups. Moreover, over-reliance on automation can be risky, particularly in sectors such as healthcare, law, and finance, where human judgment is essential. The future of speech recognition and AI chatbots looks promising. Emerging technologies in natural language understanding, emotional AI, and contextual learning are making AI systems increasingly human-like. Soon, AI will not only understand what we say but also interpret how we feel, enabling richer, more empathetic interactions. Real-world applications demonstrate their transformative potential. In customer service, voice-enabled chatbots manage banking inquiries, track orders, and assist shoppers around the clock. In healthcare, AI can schedule appointments, conduct preliminary symptom analysis, and convert doctor-patient conversations into electronic health records. This reduces administrative burden and improves patient care. In education, students benefit from AI tutors that provide instant answers, track progress, and offer feedback on language pronunciation. Remote learning and language apps especially gain from speech recognition, making education interactive, engaging, and accessible. AI chatbots ensure learning is personalized at scale, something traditional methods struggle to achieve. Accessibility is another significant impact. Individuals with visual impairments or physical disabilities can navigate technology using voice commands. Real-time speech-to-text transcription supports the hearing impaired in meetings, lectures, and public events. This creates a more inclusive digital environment, removing barriers for millions of users. Emerging trends in AI chatbots and speech recognition include emotionally intelligent AI, multilingual capabilities, context-aware conversations, voice biometrics for security, and integration with IoT devices. AI can now detect mood from tone and pace, remember previous interactions, authenticate users via voice, and control smart home devices. These innovations make interactions more human-like, seamless, and secure. Looking ahead, speech recognition and AI chatbots are expected to reshape society. Smarter cities may rely on voice-enabled AI for public services and emergency response. Workplaces could automate routine administrative tasks, allowing humans to focus on creative work. Human-machine collaboration will improve, with AI understanding context and emotional cues to provide meaningful assistance. Speculative applications are equally exciting. AI companions could provide emotional support, monitor well-being, and guide daily routines. Healthcare AI may perform preliminary diagnostics, monitor patients through voice and wearable devices, and provide mental health support. Voice-driven workplaces could enable hands-free meetings, task management, and real-time translation for global teams. In AR and VR environments, AI chatbots and speech recognition will allow users to control virtual worlds naturally. Gaming, education, and remote collaboration could become fully immersive, with AI characters responding to spoken commands and emotional cues, creating realistic and interactive experiences. The social impact is also profound. AI could help preserve endangered languages, enhance accessibility for people with disabilities, and redefine human-machine relationships. Ethical questions around dependency, privacy, and companionship will need careful consideration as AI becomes more capable and human-like. In conclusion, speech recognition and AI chatbots are more than technological tools, they represent a paradigm shift in human-computer interaction. They streamline operations, enhance learning, improve healthcare delivery, and create more inclusive technology. The future promises AI that not only listens but understands emotion, context, and intent. Interactions with machines will feel as natural as conversations with other people. As these systems mature, they will become indispensable companions in our personal and professional lives. Speech recognition and AI chatbots are not just changing technology, they are transforming the very way we communicate.